My name is Natalia Oliveira, and this is my Living Benefits story. I was born in Boston, but I was raised in Brazil. I'm living in Florida for the last 6 years with my family. I have 2 kids now, my husband and a 1-year-old and a 7 years old. We have a company, me and my husband. We do countertops. We are self-employed for the last 4 years. Being a mom and a businesswoman, I have a lot to do, so my days are very busy. Dropping kids out in school, picking up, going to work, taking them to sports, coming back and doing something for myself, cooking dinner. Brazilians, we cook a lot every day, so imagine it's a really busy life, but I love it a lot.
My name is Rickson Amorin. I'm an executive vice president with 5 Rings Financial here in Boca Raton, Florida. I met Marcondi, Natalia's husband, in a workshop. And then he mentioned, oh, my wife is actually looking for a retirement plan and also life insurance.
And he was talking about a product that has the possibility of investment plus a life insurance with living benefits.
So we set up the plan for the whole family.
I was on vacation in Brazil, and I started feeling some back pains that was not going away. When I come back to the United States, I went to my primary doctor. After about a month or so doing tests, I got the results. I was diagnosed with Hodgkins lymphoma, stage 2.
At 30 years old, we'll never think that you will get cancer, especially because she had a 10 months old baby. So, it was tough.
But the only thing that I could think of the first few days was, I want to see this baby girl getting married. I want to see this boy going to college and things like that. So, I will fight. And dealing with cancer and raising a baby, having a 7 years old who requires a lot of my attention and time, I start to feel the financial pressure. Of course, the bills were coming. We still have to pay our employees. We still have a company to run.
Obviously, I was concerned for her health at that time. But the type of cancer that she got, I knew that the cancer was going to be a survival cancer. And for sure, she was gonna be okay financially because of the living benefits. A couple weeks later, we've got the notice that the living benefit was approved. Her policy was a $500,000 policy, and she was able to withdraw over $280,000.
It was a relief for our family to have that money at that time, not only because of the medical bills, but it changed our financial life forever.
When we've got the approval letter, and a couple days later, the money was in her bank account. It was an amazing feeling. And I think that money brought hope to that family. And that's very, very important. It's worth more than money. You know what I mean? So, because the cancer, it's gonna go away now, but the money, it's gonna stay.
The cancer, it's gone. Really soon, this is a page that I'm turning in my life. I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm just gonna see ahead of me. The living benefits, it pretty much took away all my worry financially. The relief was so big because we could pay the medical bills. All our own personal bills that were late due to all this.
She's not just a client. She became a really good friend. And we spent birthdays together, we barbecue together, our kids play together. And they're gonna still doing that thanks to living benefits. Because if it wasn't living benefit, I don't know what we will be today.
I talk with all my friends and family about living benefits because of its value and because of what I've gone through, how important it was during my process. I was young, I was healthy. I had no reason to have a living benefit, and still, I'm glad that I did. I'm glad that I purchased the plan because it was such a relief in the middle of so many things going on, so many bad news, and it was a bright thing to look forward in my future.